Hello, my name is Ashley Miskelley, and I'd just like to welcome you to the incredible world of sea urchins, particularly worldwide sea urchins. I'd also like to thank Koichi for promoting my book and having the book published in Japanese, which I'm sure you'll all enjoy. And here's a sneak preview. So this book has all the creativity and beauty and wonder of worldwide sea urchins, immaculately presented. You can see these fantastic colours and patterns that have never ever been presented in such a way before. There's so many interesting deep water sea urchins, shallow water sea urchins, vibrant colours, patterns, shapes. It's almost incredible to realise that these things are natural objects and not man-made. This is one of my most favourite sea urchins from Western Australia, Philocanthus irregularis, one of the largest pencil urchins that lives in the world. But don't let me say everything now. You just enjoy the book and enjoy the exhibition in Japan, and I look forward to seeing you all one day. See ya. Here we have some examples of sea urchins showing what they look like live with spines and also without spines. So what you're looking at here is the sea urchin as you would find it in its natural environment with spines intact. And also here, which shows the denuded test without spines. Sea urchins can be classified into irregular and regular. Sea urchins that are round and radially symmetrical are part of the regular classification. And here is a group of well-known species from around the world, occurring from intertidal zone to around about 2,000 metres deep. Many sea urchins from Australia are spherical shaped and belong to two genera. These are represented by Holopneustes, which is very ball shaped, and Amblyneustes. Both genera exhibit a wide range of different colour patterns and variations and are confined to southern Australia. These are heart urchins. Heart urchins are a little bit different to the regular or radially symmetrical sea urchins in the way that they have bilateral symmetry. There's very rarely any colour, and the skeleton consists of 4 petal-like structures which allow the animal to breathe when it's living. This shows a few variation in species throughout the world. Like the heart urchins, the sand dollars have no colour, and they have 5 petals instead of 4. They also have teeth which allow them to crunch sediment with their jaw system, as their main diet is sand. This display shows a group of polymorphic sea urchins. So what that means is sea urchins that have a large amount of variation per species. So that might mean they have different colours, different types of banding, or just in particular, they're actually quite spectacular in their own right. This one is a deep-sea New Caledonian sea urchin, Stylosidaris brevicollis. It's exclusively deep water, so very hard to procure. This is one of the many theme cabinets at the Sea Urchin Science Centre and Gallery in Currajong. It shows colour in sea urchins and attempts to explain the reason why they have colour. The main reason this occurs is because through the food chain, sea urchins that eat algae tend to pass the chemicals responsible for colour through the food chain, and those colours and pigments end up in the skeleton of the sea urchin, as can be seen here by the very bright colours of the deep water sea urchin genus Coelopleurus. Common colours exhibited in sea urchins are purples, greens, reds, and often banded colours, purple and green. Orange is not that common and seems to be more common in deeper water species. Most irregular sea urchins, like this hard urchin, don't have much colour at all, but there is a faint indication of pink. This is just a combination of with and without spines, showing the vast amount of variation within sea urchins. This display shows the structure of sea urchins and how all the plates fit together, as well as the different types of spines.